ये हो गया एक टेक में खत्म पे। What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gaurav and I'm back again with another Sneaker Sunday video for you all. I know पिछले 2 वीक से मैं YouTube से पूरी तरीके से गायब हूँ बिकॉज सेम बहाना है, मैं काम में बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी था और बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं मिला कि मैं कैमरा उठाऊँ. पर ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट 2 weeks I have got my hands on my first ever Air Jordan 6 and thanks a ton to Indian Necessities who have hooked me up with another pair. The previous pair that I copped from them is right here, that is my Levi's X Air Jordan 4 and I think this was worth the cop. They were launched I think 2 years back, but then I was getting a great deal from them, so that's why they're in my hands right now. Now before getting the details of the video guys, पता है ना यूजुअल चीज़, लाइक करना है वीडियो को और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो टेक अ मोमेंट, hit that red subscribe button and then let's continue the video with Air Jordan 6 infrareds. Before getting into more details, the box is completely intact. Last time when I ordered from Indian Necessities, box की ना वाट लग चुकी थी, बहुत बुरा हालत हो चुका था box का, and I know that we and Devgan and Karan had a good chat around it, but then I really wanted that particular pair, so I was like, okay, आप लोग तो नहीं समझोगे यार, पर all the sneakerheads out there, the value of all these boxes is like insane. Like we make sure box is intact just like the shoe, but I think this is great. No questions, no problems in this, Karan and Devgan. So thumbs up for giving me an intact box which is not at all damaged from anywhere. Now let me just unbox it for you all and show you the sneaker. So here it is. This is Air Jordan 6 infrareds and let me just pop this out. This is Air Jordan 6 infrareds for you all. What's best about the packaging and the box is that they have hooked me up with certain sneaker vibes as well. This is from Fab Shield, Indian Necessities drop-off collab I think. So thank you for this one, and of course there is one Indian Necessities sticker as well. Now let me tell you why I bought them. Very simple reason. They are completely black. गंदे नहीं होंगे ऐसा मुझे लगता है, but what I've realized in the past 3 hours when I've started to make this video, they catch dust very quickly. I think that's because of the suede that is there on this shoe. But the reason for me to buy them is they're completely black. I can wear them whenever I'm moving out, unlike my other sneakers which my boxes are only wearing. पर आप लोग ज़रूर सोच रहे होगे यार, लॉकडाउन अभी ख़त्म हुआ है, अनलॉक हुआ है, कोरोना चल रहा है, जाओगे कहाँ? मैं भी ऐसे ही कुछ सोच रहा हूँ, जाऊँगा कहाँ? लेकिन whenever I'm going out, whatever occasion comes out, this will be the next sneaker that will be on my feet for sure. The reason and few more details about this particular sneaker, why I eyed them for a very long time. 2 साल पहले जब ये ड्रॉप हुए तब मैं इसको नहीं ले पाया था, तब मेरे पास बजट नहीं था. Another reason what I thought, because they are a bit narrow from the front and I have a broad feet, I thought they might not fit me well. That's another reason I dropped them when they were launched, I think 2018 or 19, I'm not really sure about it. But then I didn't have any of the Air Jordan 6 in my collection. I was getting a great deal from Indian Necessities, so I thought why not buy it. The other details is this particular plug, which is, I don't know what it is called exactly, but the way this is used to loosen and tighten the laces, really standing out right now, along with the Jordan logo tongue in this shoe. This is what it is making it look different from all the other Jordan 6. I also liked one of the Jordan 6 that was Jordan X OVO collaboration. I'm going to put an image on the screen. That can be the next Air Jordan 6 in my collection, but I'm not really sure about it. So yeah, that's it. That's the reason I bought them. And I think one more fact which is very important, that I'm getting all the black sneakers only from Indian Necessities. The Levi's Jordan which is here, if you have not seen that video, I have done a special video about this particular shoe. So please do go and check it out. Link I button mein aa raha hai. And this one is also black. So Devgan and Karan, why not hook me up with another black pair of sneakers? I am willing to look forward for a great deal if you guys can give me out. So yes, this is the reason I bought them. One more thing which I missed out is the sole of this particular shoe, and the sweat is back. यार अगर आप में से कोई मुझे इस चीज़ का सोल्यूशन बता सकता है, how to get rid of the sweat that comes, because it completely breaks the flow. except installing an AC in the house, because that is something I can't afford right now. But if there is any other solution, please comment section में ज़रूर बताना. Coming back, what I was talking about? Yeah, the sole. So the sole of this particular sneaker, and if you can see the Jordan embossed logo which is here, really makes it look great. I know बहुत सारे लोग सोच रहे होंगे सोल पे लोगो डाल के तो खराब हो जाएगा, घिस जाएगा. फिर से सेम चीज़, स्नीकर हेड्स एंड उनकी भावनाएं, सोल पे जो डिटेल्स होनी चाहिए. एयर जॉर्डन डियोर कोलैबोरेशन में द वे द सोल इज डन इज रियली नाइस मैन. आई रियली लव द सोल एंड दिस is another reason that I bought them, because this sole and this Jordan logo is really going well with the entire shoe. That's another reason I bought them. I think I have enough reasons why they're in my collection. Do let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this particular pair? If you are looking to get any of this kind of pair or the shoes that you see in the background in your collection, don't forget to DM Indian Necessities. मैं उनका Instagram हैंडल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. स्क्रीन पे उनका हैंडल आ रहा है, आप देख सकते हो. So go DM them, talk to them and get a pair of kick-ass sneakers in your collection if you want. I am really loving my Air Jordan 6 Infrareds, the first Air Jordan 6 in my collection. I think I missed out one more detail, that is the Nike logo at the back, if you guys can see. This is very well embossed within the sneaker. Loved it. Let me try to wear them as much as I can and then I will tell you in my Instagram. Oh, by the way, आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हो जिन्होंने मुझे YouTube पर सब्सक्राइब किया और Instagram पे फॉलो नहीं किया, बिकॉज मेरे वहाँ पर फॉलोअर्स बढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. Yeah, I'm being greedy a bit. Please do follow me on Instagram as well. मेरा हैंडल Mid Spectrum है. I'm gonna post some pictures of this particular shoe over there as well, and on feet photos आते रहेंगे, because I'm sure I'm gonna give you a lot of images of this particular sneaker on my feet. They will not die in my box like the others are dying over here. So that's it from this video guys. अगर आपको इस वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, नए हो चैनल पे तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, और कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना कि what are your thoughts about this particular sneaker. एक चीज़ है जो मैंने आपको नहीं बताई है, वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. Whenever you click a picture of this particular sneaker with a flash, they glow. They have infrareds and these all dots that you see start glowing. I'm not sure whether it is a radium or what, but that actually makes it stand out again. Putting one of the pictures that I've clicked right now to test them out how they look. So do let me know, what do you think about this particular cool hidden feature in this sneaker. That's it. I think I've bored you guys a lot. I'm gonna come back on the next Sneaker Sunday, which is gonna be on the next Sunday. If you have any suggestions of which sneaker out of these should be unboxed, please comment section में ज़रूर बताना. That could be one of the sneaker I'm gonna unbox. I'm gonna see you again very soon. Until then,